So therefore Krishna is rightly saying, Shravanat, Darshanat, Dhyanan, Anukirtanat. So Shravan, Darshan, Dhyanam. Dhyana means smaran, meditation, remembrance. Darshanat means seeing with the external eye at the platform of Vaidhi sadhana, Archa Murti. But then there's Manasik Murti. Archa means murti made of stone, granite, marble, ashtadhatu, metal, loha, iron, daru, wood, ratna, money, jewels. This is the Archa Murti. But there's the Manasik Murti. There's 7 murtis listed by Rupa Goswami and Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. One of them is Manasa Murti, not Archa. And that is the Sri Murti. The Sri Murti means Sri Radha and Sri Krishna placed in your mind. And that's possible to the platform of Ruchi. And then one does Shravan, hears about them, reads about them, then he chants about them and he meditates. Shravanam, Kirtanat, Dhyanam. This is the perfection of bhakti. These are the 3 most important limbs of bhakti. Because simply by doing this, one will develop his sambandha with the Lord as a das and a friend and atmanavedanam, and possibly go to the level of gopi bhav and madhurya rati. If that is his sthai bhav, he'll progress. Because these are different levels. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam, Padasevanam. Then it's Archanam, Vandanam. So Vandanam means Kirtan. So Vandanam is included in Kirtan. Then after Vandanam, or prayers to the deity, which is your Manasik Murti, and Rag Marg, the deities, Radha and Krishna within your mind, and you're meditating Ashtakali Lila on these particular forms of Radha and Krishna, and Gauranitai, Panchatattva. And a relationship of Dasya, as a servant in the beginning. Dasya Bhav, Kinkar Bhav, Kinkari Bhav. Ai Nanda Tanacha Kinkaram. O Nanda Nandan, O Radharani, Radhika Nanda Nandan, I am your Kinkar, Kinkari. I am your servant. So I do Hari Guru Vaishnava Seva. And Kinkar Bhav, or Kinkari Bhav, male or female. So then, one will offer his kirtan in the form of stutis and stotrams and prayers, and that becomes Manasik Murti Vandanam. And then you're already acting as a das, Dasya Bhav. Then your Dasya Bhav deepens and gradually manifests a ruchi for a particular form of attachment towards the Lord as your own eternal relationship manifests. Every jiva's eternal relationship, even in Rag Marg at the platform of Ruchi, is Dasya Bhav. Jivera Surupaya Krishnera Nitya Das. Dasatva. Dasya Bhav. Dainya. Humility. Humble service. I am your humble servant. Then as we progress through Ruchi and come to a Sakti, then we will understand, yes, I have a particular I am a particular type of das, or dasi, a relationship to my Ishtadev, Bhagavan Sri Krishna. I am a Nitya Das, as a servant in his household. Or I am a Nitya Sakhi, as a dasi, a Pran Sakhi of Radha and Krishna, a Manjari Bhav. Or I am a mother or father and Vatsalya Bhav. So then it's Dasyam, I'm a friend, I can be a friend. My eternal relationship is I'm Krishna's friend, is Sakya. And Atmanavedanam, whatever my eternal relationship is, my Nitya Prem Sambandha with Krishna, it requires me to fully surrender. Atmanavedanam. Man Tan Dan, Yashoda Samarpan. Man Tan Dan, Shridam Samarpan. Man Tan Dan, Lalita Samarpan. Rupa Manjari Samarpan. Rati Manjari Samarpan. This is all Navavida Bhakti included in Shravana, Darshana, Dhyanam. The first 3 words of this verse, chapter 29, verse 27 of the 10th canto. So Krishna speaking to the gopis on the level of Vaidhi sadhana, and I took it to the next level. Raghunath sadhana.